Hi, this is Rihan.
And hi, this is Anisha.
Today we're going to show you how to make a simple milk tea without using the stove. First, we will boil some water.
I will now add 2 black tea bags to the cup. Add boiling water to the cup. And then I will bob it 2 or 3 times. Then just leave it there for 2 to 3 minutes.
It's been 3 minutes.
Bob the tea bag again. Then I will squeeze them lightly. Then I will just take it out of the cup and put it on a plate. This is the black color you're looking for after bobbing the tea bag. Add 1.5 teaspoons of powdered milk. Then I will add 1 teaspoon of sugar, then stir it. Your tea is now done.
This is the perfect color for milk tea or cha.
We will now enjoy it with some homemade banana cake. Enjoy!
Enjoy!
Now I'm going to make spicy milk tea on the stove. I am now going to add 1 cup of water, one cup of milk, stir it for a bit, then add 3 black tea bags and sliced ginger, 1 cinnamon stick, 2 cloves and a cardamom pod. Then I will just continuously stir. When it's boiling, let the mixture simmer for a few minutes. Now that the mixture has come to boiling point, turn the stove off or it will spill. Use a strainer to carefully pour the mixture into a cup. It's looking good. If you want to, you can add 1 teaspoon of sugar and stir.